Are you a YouTuber or content creator? With Studio, you can create eye-catching thumbnails for your channel. To start, set up a custom canvas that is 1280 by 720 pixels wide. These dimensions use a 16 by 9 ratio, ensuring the thumbnail will look good scaled down and in the player. Let's add a background. Next, I'll drop in my logo, which I have uploaded to the Uploads folder. I have also found a few graphics on Creative Fabrica to add to my design, like this cool 3D style video player button. Then I'll add some attention-grabbing titles. Lastly, I'll add in a few graphics to embellish the design. Adjust the positioning of the elements to achieve balance and harmony. Don't forget to view your design scaled down to see how it will appear at different sizes. Have fun and experiment with your own designs and combinations. Make sure to like and follow for more quick tips. Studio, go beyond ordinary.